airport.
We're next to take off. What's up, everyone? It's your girl Domonique. Hope everyone is having a great day. Welcome to another vlog, another couple days in my life. So it's currently September 8th and I'm getting ready to start packing because I'm flying out tomorrow night. If you watched the previous vlog, you know I'm flying home because my nephew father passed, and my oldest nephew Trey, and it was a big shocker. Still is a big shocker, and I just feel like I need to be there with my family. The funeral is Saturday and I just want to be there. And it's just like with this whole situation happening, and it's just like you know, out the blue, it's just put so much stuff in perspective. Like, family is so important, and y'all know me, like I'm very family oriented and I miss them, and it's just like I need to get there. I need to just hug on them and love on them. And it's like you never know. My parents are getting older, you know, just like everyone's getting older, and you know, time is just going on because I'm away day-to-day life, and then COVID, we don't even like do get-togethers like that anymore. Y'all know I would have been flew home. I just, for just everything that's out, I just don't want to take no sickness there. Just I don't know, but I'm going home tomorrow. I'm so ready to get there. I'm just so ready to see everyone. Just keep my nephew in your prayers. But I am getting ready to do my lip scrub. Y'all, I'm launching a new product. I was supposed to launch it on Friday. Yes, baby. You want your iPad? You say hi? So I was supposed to launch it on Friday. However, I'm not going to be here, and Sean is going to hold it down. He's going to hold it down while I'm gone. However, I want to make it a little easier for him, so I'm going to launch it a day early. So by the time you're watching this, I'm going to be done launched, and fingers crossed we still have some stuff in stock, because I only have like a limited amount of the lip scrub. Everything else I have a lot of. You say hey, baby? No. I'm just about to do lip scrub, show you guys how it works, how it's gonna make your lips look luscious and plump. And get that, like, exfoliate those lips. I know y'all not walking around with crusty lips. Girl, do you exfoliate your lips? Yeah. We need them things to be soft, okay? And smoochable, kissable. You tell them hi. Alright, and then I just threw me on a wig, y'all, because I need to go to the beauty supply store. I'm gonna put me some more crochet in. Y'all already know it's convenient, and I'm just here for it. So you cut your hair. I cut the crochet out, and she think I cut my hair, but Sean want me to do my hair like I just had it, so I'm gonna do that again. I don't like the lighting in this bathroom. It just makes me look so yellow. However, we're gonna have to deal with it, okay? Because I want to show y'all this lip scrub. So here's what it looks like. Fearless Belle Sugar Lip Scrub. I have 5 different flavors. You want to wet your lips a little bit. So put a little water on my lips first. This is so hard to do, trying to hold the camera. But you just want to take it, use circular motions, rub your lips together. What is y'all doing? What are y'all doing, silly girls? And then you just want to rinse it off. And then now you just want to put like a lip balm on. And it feels so soft and just so so good. Alright, y'all, so I got these like immunity booster shots, and I've seen some people try these. However, my sister was telling me about them, just like boost your immune system. And plus, y'all know I'm getting ready to be traveling on an airplane. Like, I don't know, it's just like something about me getting on a plane traveling, it's just giving me like anxiety, even though like we just came back from a trip. But I just feel like I have my mask, like, I don't know, I just felt better about that. It's just me getting on a freaking airplane. I'm a little nervous. However, I got these immunity boosters. The brand is Vibe Organic. So this one right here has ginger. It's the original. It has ginger roots and turmeric, and this one has elderberry. The way I feel about elderberry is just like, I don't know, it's just okay. I had the elderberry gummies, and they kind of like put me, I don't know, they kind of like smell like Phillips magnesia, so I couldn't get them down, and I hate Phillips magnesia. Kind of TMI, but I used to get constipated all the time when I was younger, so my mama would always freaking give me Phillips magnesia, okay? And I just hate it. So I'm gonna do the original first, and I'm just gonna, it's a shot, so you just take the whole thing. I'm kind of scared because this is a big freaking shot. Like, what the freak? Ugh. So I'm recording on Instagram too, so I don't even think I should smell it, because if I smell it, I'm not gonna be able to take it. It just smells like turmeric, and turmeric makes your girl go. Anyways, that's a little TMI, right? All right, here we go. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, halfway. Oh, it got a little burning taste. Oh. Oh. So I am packing our bags, and I'm going to pack these outfits right here for the girls. The grandma actually sent these for them. I think the bottoms on for summer is a little big. However, I think I can roll them up and they'll be fine. But these are super cute. Here's the shirts and the shorts that match. Hey, get it, girl. Skylar about to drive her car. Yeah. They got the radio turned up. Hey, get this guy. Go, Sammy. Hey, 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 hey. Turn up.
So we at the airport. We're gonna go to Yaya house and stay there.
Yeah, are you excited?
Uh-oh. Yeah.
Yeah. So we're on the plane. We are headed to North Carolina. We're next to take off. We're next to take off. No, after we go around, I'm gonna tell you. You hear it getting louder? That means we're about to turn and get ready for takeoff.
So are you excited?
Say yes.
She's not excited.
Say yes.
She excited.
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready for your mommy and daddy?
I am.
Are you guys dad?
Yes. Alright, here we go. We're about to take off.
I miss my grandma and grandpa.
Aww. Here we go, Sky. We're about to take off. Here we go. See, we going up. You feel it? We're going up in the air. Yay. What's up, y'all? So it is the next day, and it is 5:30 in the afternoon, and y'all, I'm not feeling my hair at all. At all. So where you got a boo-boo at? Turn around, let me see. Oh, what happened? It's a mosquito bite. It looked like it was a mosquito bite. Black, dark. Alright, so I think I was telling y'all that I am not feeling my hair, so I'm getting ready to take this out and put some other hair in. Every time I start talking to y'all, something happens. Hey, Ma.
Hey, Yaya.
What you say, Mama? Alright, so here's what I was trying to say. I am getting ready to take, I'm gonna take this mask off for a second. I'm getting ready to take this hair out and just save it for another time. This is the hair I had in probably like 2 months ago, and now I'm getting ready to put in some hair like I had previously. The curl pattern is a little different, but I'm just not feeling this. It's giving me little girl vibes. Maybe it'll look better once I put my makeup on, but right now I'm just not feeling it. Y'all, let me tell y'all. So I arrived at RDU airport last night, and tell me why all of my bags weren't there. So I was missing one of my suitcases. Luckily they just dropped it off today, but that was the suitcase with my makeup and just like a lot of different little things in it. So I'm so glad that they got it to me. This is the 3rd time I've flown and something happened with my bags. Y'all probably remember, probably like 2 years ago when I was in DC, they were supposed to deliver my bags to the hotel. They never delivered the bags. They were not responding to me. So the day before I left, I went back up to the hotel, to the airport, and y'all, they had my bags sitting up there just you know, I'm like, they don't even care, like what the heck. But luckily RDU came through for your girl and they delivered it earlier today. So I'm getting ready to test out. So I'm getting ready to, y'all know the funeral is tomorrow, and I'm gonna make some masks. So my sister has a Cricut machine. She actually has the maker, and I low-key want to sell my joint and get the maker. And I haven't even used hers yet, but I just know you can do so many more things with the maker. Let me show y'all if y'all don't know what I'm talking about. So I have the Cricut Explorer, but she has this one. This is like the big one. So I'm making some masks. I'm gonna put his picture, just gonna do something simple and quick and easy. So I'm gonna put, like, you put your hand, come here baby, come here sugar mama, come here baby, are you okay? Where you hit your head at?
My hand.
They better not hit my baby no more, that thing. It's simple. So the masks are gonna be black. One side we're gonna have the picture. So where's the picture at? The picture is right here. Have the picture on one side, something just simple. It's not gonna be this color. I actually printed it out at home. I was trying to figure it out yesterday. It wasn't coming out good, so I think my ink was running low. So this is supposed to be like blue, and it's gonna look better once, you know, I print it out on a printer that has all the ink in it. So we're gonna put this on one side of the mask, and on the other side I'm gonna do like the iron-on vinyl, and I'm gonna do like in love and memory of his name, year he was born, or year, I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out, but I'm getting ready to test this out on this black shirt. I just got one of my dad's old shirts, and I'm about to test it out because I need to figure out how to use this stuff. I've never used, I think it's different doing transfer on dark fabric. Well, I know it's different, so I'm trying to figure that out and test it out and get that down packed. So that's the project that we're working on right now. Y'all, my mother-in-law is coming up. She's like on the way up here now because she's gonna keep the girls tomorrow while I go to the funeral, and she's driving up from Georgia, so it's like a 5-hour drive. She was gonna fly up to Chicago and keep them for the weekend, help Sean out with keeping them. However, I knew if I was coming down here, I did not want to just come for the weekend, and I didn't want to come and not bring the girls with me. So we ended up just all coming, and then she said she'll drive and keep them. So that all worked out. Anyways, let's try this. Alright guys, so we are testing this out. We're testing it out. Alright y'all, so it did good. So it's on here, and pretty much all I need to do now, we're probably gonna do this like rounded or something instead of it being just square. And also what I just realized, I forgot I can print these out and then put it in the Cricut machine so the Cricut machine can actually cut it out for me, so I know they're gonna be straight. Y'all, like, I honestly enjoy doing stuff like this. Like, I don't know, it just gives me just some excitement. And yeah, so the girls are outside with my dad. Oh, my camera cut off. Hey, girl. You're not gonna ride no more? Sky, you driving? What's up, y'all? So I have done my hair. Y'all see? I've done my hair. I'm gonna cut it everything in the morning.
Oh, let me see, Jalila.
The girls got a package.
Oh my God.
Let me see.
One of my TikTok friends.
One of my mom's TikTok friends.
Let me see, P.
Black Girl Magic.
Oh.
Let me see, P-Bear. What you get, girl?
I sprinkled that on. I know that's right. It's something else.
Oh, she made these.
Yes, girl, yes.
Beautiful and blessed.
Black Girl Magic. Whose is this?
Oh,
Oh,
that's
Black
really
Mom.
pretty.
Oh, my.
Oh, let me see.
Black Mom.
Oh, I love it.
Black Mom Magic, y'all.
Black
Oh, my
Mom
God.
Magic. What is it?
I'm about to cry. Oh. And Pat.
Oh, I love it.
Oh my God. Paris on this sleeve. Oh my God, I am
Check if
really,
there is
That's
some
really
of that.
pretty.
cry.
What's up, guys? So it is 1 o'clock in the morning, and I've officially kind of like figured out everything with the mask. So we're gonna do some kind of like this, and then some with like a circle. And I've been like doing samples, so it's gonna look like that. And I ironed it on. Then we're gonna have some that cover the whole like one side, like that. So here they go. They printing out really nicely. Really nicely.
Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you've done for me.
So here's how we're coming along. This is what I've made so far. Look pretty good. And then I have these right here as well. Almost forgot to show you guys the finished product. So here's what the masks look like. And boom. So I am done. It's currently 3:18 in the morning. Definitely didn't think I was gonna be up this late. However, I got them done. I'm getting ready to knock out so your girl won't have no bags. Already got dark circles. So definitely gonna be putting concealer on this in the morning. Good night, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching this vlog. If y'all enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. And I will see you guys in my next video. So, Skylar is back there asleep on the couch, so I gotta go get her and put her in the bed. She went to sleep watching the Paw Patrol movie. Y'all, she loves that movie. Her and Summer both. They've watched it probably over 30 times. I'm not even exaggerating. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.